What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove ads from Amazon Prime Video by upgrading to the ad-free option. If you've started seeing advertisements before or during your videos, this quick guide will walk you through where to find the setting and how to subscribe to the ad-free plan. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to primevideo.com or visit amazon.com and sign in to the account that's linked to your Prime Video subscription. Once you're signed in, open Prime Video and wait for the homepage to load. Next, click your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page, then select Account and Settings from the menu. Inside the Account and Settings page, click the Your Account tab. This section contains your subscription details along with any available upgrades for your Amazon Prime Video membership. If ad previewing is available for your account and region, you should see an option labeled Go Ad Free. Click that option to continue. Amazon will display information about the ad-free upgrade, including the monthly price, billing details, and any terms that apply. Take a moment to review everything before continuing so you know exactly what's included with the subscription. If you decided to proceed, click the Start Subscription or Confirm button, depending on what appears on your screen. Follow the payment prompts to complete the purchase. Once the transaction is successful, your account will automatically be upgraded to the ad-free plan. After the upgrade is complete, return to Prime Video and start playing any eligible movie or TV show. You should now be able to watch supported on-demand content without advertisements. Keep in mind that some live events, sports, broadcasts, or promotional content may still include announcements depending on region and the type of content you're watching. However, eligible on-demand titles will play without the additional ads included in the standard plan. And that's it. That's how you can upgrade to the ad-free experience on Amazon Prime Video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.